Welcome, my boys. Today we're doing a very special meal that I have stolen off of a coworker. I like calling this green juice, and we're about to see how good it is. Oh, look at that. So when I was looking at the guy make this, he had some apples, it smelled like ginger, and I saw cucumbers and spinach in this. So I was just like, dang, that looks kind of good. I kind of want to try it out. So sharpen these knives. Alright, we're gonna do a little blendy blend real quick just to get a little room in here. Probably add some liquids, huh? Filtered water. Nothing wrong about this blender. Some of them just stay stuck. I feel like now we should add the main attraction. The root of ginger. Oh Lord. Now we're gonna add the filler, which I assume would be the spinach. Could be gross, could be good. It's all a learning experience. Ooh. Oh, man. Okay. Well, that's got a very strong aroma to it. Well, only one way to find out. Ew. Wow then. Whoo, man. Now that got a very gingery aroma. Like that's all I smell is the ginger. So hopefully it's not too overwhelming. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh wow. If it was colder, it'd be a lot better. But overall, not bad. Green juice, 1 cucumber, 2 things of apples. It's your choice if you want to go easy on the ginger root, because it's pretty strong. You can really taste it. And a handful of spinach, and you'll get green juice. Not bad. I give it a 7. It's no sugar required. Not bad at all.